Hi, and welcome to my garden. I'm Spring Courtright with Tidy Wild Organizing, and I want to share with you a technique that I use with all of my decluttering and organizing clients. When I see that their nervous systems are kind of up here, I use this for myself as well. Stuck in traffic, I'm getting ready to do an organizing project and I feel overwhelmed with all the stuff. I'm looking for that one thing I'm going to focus on, but it's a lot. Sometimes when I'm trying to sleep, I'll use this. So some people call it square breathing, and the reason it's called square breathing is because we're going to take a breath in to the count of 4, hold it to the count of 4, exhale to the count of 4, hold it to the count of 4. And you can do it for shorter or longer. We're going to practice today doing it to the count of 4. If you get lightheaded, just go back to normal breathing. You can do it for less counting, higher numbers. You can also, like, for a little deeper relaxation, like if I'm trying to fall asleep at night, you can exhale for a little bit longer, and that provides a deeper relaxation. So let's practice. Before we do, just put your hand on your belly and take a breath. And then feel your chest rise and maybe your shoulders lift up a little bit. So inhale into the belly, into your lungs, and then exhale. It's like a wave. So let's do 3 of these breaths, and the first one we'll do together. So close your eyes, take a practice breath where you just breathe into your belly, breathe into your chest, maybe your shoulders rise a little, and exhale. And now take an inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. And do 2 more of these on your own. And when you're done, hopefully I'm not interrupting you. When you're done, just check in with your body. Does it feel any different than when you started? Do you need a little bit more? A little more time? What does your body need from here before you continue doing whatever you're about to do? Does your body need anything? This can help us just settle back into our body and release what's happening out here, come back to what we need. So there you go, square breathing. Let me know if it works for you, if you have other quick relaxation techniques. I would love to hear about them. And until then, happy trails to you.